With this insane Minecraft mod pack, you can get more than 6 times the performance, zoom, connected textures, shader support, limitless customization, and more. Welcome to Remarkably Optimized for Minecraft 1.20.2. In this video, I'll guide you through the installation process, go over what each mod does, and put it in a series of tests against both vanilla Minecraft and Optifine. Wait, never mind. Optifine hasn't been released yet for 1.20.2, but I'll get to that in the comparison. Let's kick things off with the installation process. I'm going to show you how to install the mod pack for the Minecraft launcher and the Modrinth app. The Modrinth app will be much easier, just a one-click installation, but I know most of you use the Minecraft launcher, so I'll show you that as well. We'll start with that actually. So, the first thing you want to do is open up your browser, then go to the first link in the description or go to fabricmc.net. Should take you here, then just hit download, and then if you're on Mac or Linux, download the universal jar. If you're on Windows, of course, hit download for Windows. While you still have your browser open, go over to the second link in the description, which should be a Discord invite link. Paste that in your search, and it should take you here. You might have to create a Discord account, but eventually it should take you over to my Discord server. And on the left here, you want to look for the releases channel. In here, I have a bunch of download links. Currently, I have 1.19.2 through 1.20.2. So for this video, I'm going to download the 1.20.2 version by hitting download right here. Additionally, this is optional, but if you want some extra performance along with the mod pack, you can head over to the config files and download the config file for the same Minecraft version. So that'll be 1.20.2 for me. Once you have those 3 files downloaded, I'm just going to move them on my desktop for the purpose of this video. You're going to want to open the Fabric installer. Once that is open, just select the same Minecraft version as you downloaded the mod pack for. So for me, that's 1.20.2. Keep the loader version the same and make sure create profile is selected, and then just hit install. It should say it has been successfully installed, then you can just say OK and close this out. The next thing, you're going to want to extract both of these files. If you didn't download the config file, you'll just be extracting the 1.20.2 Remarkably Optimized folder. So just right click, hit extract all, and then hit extract. And then again, you'll be doing the same with the config file if you downloaded it. Now that you have these 2 files extracted, you just have to put them in your .minecraft folder. So to do that, hit Windows R, type in %appdata%, and then hit enter. Should take you here and you should see a .minecraft folder. Open that and then you can actually just drag the config folder inside here. If it says it has matching files, just hit replace the files in the destination, although you likely won't get that. And then you want to look for a mods folder. If you don't have a mods folder, right click, hit new folder, and name it mods, no caps, no spaces, just mods. Once you have your mods folder, open it, and then also open your 1.20.2 Remarkably Optimized folder, and you should see a bunch of mods in here. You can hit Ctrl A to select all of them, and then you want to drag them into your mods folder. And with that, you actually have the installation finished. So you can just open up your Minecraft launcher, and once it's open, just make sure you have Fabric Loader 1.20.2 selected, and then you can hit play. However, if you want some extra performance, I will show you how to increase the amount of RAM you have allocated in Minecraft. So to do that, hit installations, find Fabric Loader 1.20.2 or whatever version you installed, hit the 3 dots, hit edit, hit more options, and then you should see JVM arguments. In here, you should see a 2 in this first spot. Now, I would recommend increasing this to 3 or 4, but that all depends how much RAM you have on your computer. If you only have 4 GB of RAM on your computer, just leave this at 2. But if you have 8 GB of RAM or more, bump this up to 4 and you should be all good. I wouldn't bump it up to anything more than 4 as it won't actually increase performance, but setting it up to 3 or 4 is a good idea. Then you can just hit save, go back to play, hit play, launch the game, and hopefully you should get some pretty good performance. And if you need any extra help, you can hop back over to my Discord server, go to the support channel, create a ticket, let me know your issue, and I will try my best to support you. Now, if you would like to know how to install it with the Modrinth app, let me quickly show you how. If you don't have it installed, go to the browser of your choice, and then go to the third link in the description, which should be modrinth.com/app. It should take you here, and if you're on Mac or Linux, hit more download options, but if you're on Windows, just hit download the Modrinth app. It should download a file just like this. I already have the app installed, but all you have to do, run this, follow all the steps, and it should install the app for you. Once you have the app open, to install the mod pack, just go to the search, search Remarkably Optimized. And then if you want to install it for the newest version, which currently is 1.20.2, just hit install. If you want to install it for a different version, click on it, go to versions, and you can pick whatever Minecraft version you like. Once you hit the download button, it should download and install it for you, and then you can just hit play. But if you want to increase the amount of RAM you have allocated in Minecraft for a little bit of extra performance, let me quickly show you how. All you have to do is hit the cog on the bottom left, scroll down until you see Java memory, and then in here, I would recommend upping this to 4,000 megabytes. If you only have 4 gigabytes of RAM on your computer, I'd recommend just leaving this at 2,000 megabytes, but if you have 8 gigabytes of RAM on your computer or more, I would recommend bumping this up to 4,000. Don't bump it up to anything more than 4,000, it won't actually increase performance, but setting it up to 4,000 is definitely a good idea. Another thing I should tell you is that the 1.20.2 version currently has a bug with the Mod app. It'll crash if you try to open it. So to fix this, click on it, go to options, you should see edit mod loader / game versions, then just hit edit versions, make sure you have fabric selected, and then under the loader version, it should be 0.14.23 by default. Bump this up to at least 0.14.24. Then just hit save changes and you should be good to go. Real quickly, once you do have the game open, if you want connected textures to work, you have to go to options, resource packs, and then enable default connected textures and glass pane culling fix. Then just hit done and you should be good to go. Now let's explore what each mod does for optimizing your game, starting with C2ME that accelerates chunk generation and loading, ensuring a smooth world experience. Cloth config API serves as a configuration library required by some mods. Continuity uses modern APIs for efficient connected textures. Debugify fixes over 70 bugs listed on the Minecraft bug tracker, ensuring a more consistent experience. Dynamic FPS enhances performance when Minecraft is running in the background. Enhanced block entities dramatically improves the rendering performance of block entities. Entity culling utilizes async path tracing to skip rendering hidden blocks and entities, boosting overall performance. Fabric API adds essential hooks required by most mods. Ferret Core significantly reduces memory usage. Immediately Fast accelerates immediate mode rendering. Indium adds support for the Fabric rendering API with Sodium, making mods like Continuity compatible. Iris introduces shader support with highly optimized shadow rendering. Lithium enhances game logic and server performance. Logical Zoom introduces a zoom key similar to Optifine's zoom functionality. Memory Leak Fix addresses multiple memory leaks. Mod Menu provides a user-friendly interface to view and configure your mods. Modern Fix improves performance, reduces memory usage, and fixes multiple bugs. More culling enhances performance by optimizing how various culling types are handled. No Chat Reports ensures unreportable chat messages and removes telemetry for enhanced privacy. Reese's Sodium Options replaces Sodium video settings for an improved user experience. Sodium introduces a modern rendering engine that significantly boosts performance. Sodium Extra incorporates many of Optifine's additional video settings into Sodium. Thread Tweak allows you to optimize Minecraft CPU scheduling. Very many players enhances server performance. And finally, yet another config lib is another essential configuration library required by several mods. But let's dive into the real results. I'll be pitting this mod pack against vanilla Minecraft. Normally, I would also compare it against Optifine, but that hasn't yet been released for 1.20.2. However, if you look at any of my previous FPS videos, you'll see you can expect 2 to 3 times the FPS with the mod pack rather than Optifine. But let's get on with the tests. In single player, the mod pack consistently outperforms vanilla, showcasing a remarkable 4 times increase in world generation speed and well over 6 times the average FPS. Even in a stress test using the Hermitcraft Season 8 world download, the mod pack nearly achieves a 5 times improvement over vanilla. Transitioning into multiplayer, the results remain remarkable. Even with MCC Island's notoriously laggy game modes, the mod pack's performance still soars above vanilla. And for those who use shaders, the mod pack remains solid. With high-end shaders enabled in every test, it achieves around 60 to 70 FPS depending on the test. Now that you've seen the results, get ready to experience remarkable gameplay with Remarkably Optimized.
Did